Accountancy career, the reasons why you should choose accounting. Accounting or accountancy is one of the best careers available today. Accountants are always in demand and the fields or jobs that you can choose from are huge. This means that there are a lot of opportunities for having a career as an accountant, and you also have a lot of career choices to choose from. In accounting, you will see that there are lots of things that you can benefit from. Here, you will see that it will be able to help you gain experience in the field of accounting as well as learn a lot about the inner workings of businesses. It basically means that it will teach you how to organize and run your own business. In fact, most successful entrepreneurs started out as accountants. The knowledge they gained in this line of work eventually paid off, and they are now continuing to build a business empire. If you too would want to become like most of the successful accountants today, then you will want to know the skills required in accounting. Basically, the required skills are not that high except for two areas. The first is your analytical skills and the second is your computer skills. If you compare the accounting field to other professions out there, you will see that most of it will require skill, such as having some type of attention to detail as well as knowledge about computers. However, you have to remember that in accounting, there are different skills and knowledge needed than in the rest of other professions. Here, you don't need to know how to socialize with other people. You will work in a self-pressure environment only, and you also do not need a high amount of initiative. It's not saying that accounting is much easier than other jobs, but it just means that it is different. It basically separates this profession from other types of careers. The best feature is becoming an accountant is that you really don't need special skills or talents in order to become one. Everything here can be learned and developed. In accounting, the best thing about it would probably be the great pay. In fact, during your first year as an accountant, it is very possible that you can earn as much as $55,000 a year. After 10 years in this kind of career, you can be making money amounting to 6 figures. However, this can be achieved with patience and with a dedication to your work. If you want success in this field in a faster way, then furthering your degree in accounting is the way to go, such as becoming an MBA. Other types of careers take a lot longer to receive accreditation, and this is the reason why accounting is a great career choice. As you can see, it is not surprising why accounting is a very popular career choice. Although a lot of people are considering this type of career, you can be sure that you will never run out of jobs as an accountant, as there are a lot of fields in accounting that you can enter. So, if you want to be successful and you are looking for a good career choice, an accounting or accountancy career can be your best choice. Just remember to work hard and you should be dedicated in this line of work.